Welcome back, stylers. Thank you for joining me today. If you're new here and you're interested in discussions about home style and decor, as well as a few craft projects for decor along the way, like this video and smash that subscription button and you'll stay up to date on what goes on here at RJ's Homestyle. I have today an idea that has come from a question that I see often is, what are you making for your men for Father's Day? Or what do you make for your boyfriends for their birthdays? Well, if you don't know what your boyfriend or your husband or your significant other is into, that's a whole nother topic. But I've come up with an idea that I think would be a great gift idea for the man in your life. And all you're going to need is one of these cutting boards, the bamboo cutting board from the Dollar Tree, one of these brass colored signs from the Dollar Tree, and you're going to need the clockworks from an old clock, or you can buy a set of new clockworks. And with these three and a brand new product for 2020 from DecoArt, you can have one of these. Stop giving the men in your life those silly cups for their birthday, anniversary, or a Christmas present. Give them something that's truly useful and manly at the same time. That's why I came up with this clock, because I wanted a new clock, and I wanted a table clock, and I wanted something manly. What's more manly than nice woods, brass metals, and suede? Which brings me to the latest product for 2020 from DecoArt, which is their new line of textured suede paint. This is a brilliant paint. It is just fabulous, and it gives that nice textured feel of suede. And that's how I came up with the design for this clock. I simply took a bamboo cutting board and some clockworks, drilled the hole, inserted the clockworks. I then masked off the center here, and then taking this wonderful suede paint, I then painted these two sections here using a cross-hatching motion. I'll put a link in the description box down below on that painting technique if you're not sure how to do that. I simply let that dry, and then I wanted some more metal, which I then took some brass thumbtacks. I cut the pin portion off, and then I simply glued them, as you see here. I glued the little sign stand. Whoops, there we go. I glued that to the back, and there you have it. It's a wonderful clock. It's very useful for a grown man, for a young man in your life. And while this is simply my design on how to use the paint, you can come up with your own. But I wanted to show you this. It's just a wonderful, useful idea for the men in your life. And it's a wonderful way of using this new suede paint. If there are projects that you have coming up, perhaps it's something that you might think about. Maybe you want a suede texture. I know a lot of people are all into the chalk paint for various reasons, but have you thought about suede? This comes in more colors than I have here. I have it in a blue and I have it in a charcoal. I am not being paid for this. This is just something that I've tried. It's a product I tried. I really like the product, and I simply wanted to share it with you. And I wanted to share also this very easy idea for any man in your life for a gift. I hope this has inspired you, and I hope to see you soon. Bye for now.